Populations of lions and hyenas in the African Serengeti have been studied exhaustively. Both are highly social animals. They are not exactly the same size, but they are certainly in the same size range, and they eat the same prey. They both hunt the prey species in question, and they both scavenge the dead bodies of the prey species in question. They also display a behavior that in biology we call competition, which means that they are utilizing the same resources in the same ways, and they have an ecological impact on one another's populations. Passive competition simply means that the one species is eating enough of the resource that the other species has a lower population than it otherwise might, and vice versa. Active competition is when the creatures take action to diminish the other one's presence. This is the case with lions and hyenas, who conduct a low-level war against one another in many cases. The hyenas will take down lion cubs whenever they can find them. The lions will launch raids on hyena encampments, going after the female cubs, particularly those of high social rank. Both of these are very disruptive to the social mechanics of the respective species. What competition of this kind doesn't do is have any meaningful impact over the larger ecological, chemical, and energy relationships. It doesn't matter to the chemical cycling whether an antelope is taken down by a lion or a hyena. All of the chemicals end up exactly in the same situation. It's also important to recognize that predation really doesn't have any special role in chemical cycling whatsoever. If the plants died on their own without zebras eating them, then the chemical cycling doesn't care. If you have the various veggies and you have the zebras and antelopes eating them, and then they die of old age with nary a lion or a hyena in sight, the same thing happens. Add on lions or hyenas or both, and you know what? It's all the same cycle.